HTML, XML or CSV. The front-end developer who used to working with HTML, they can use a Scala template engine, and they can feel compatible with it. So in a play project, a template file name always has the following pattern. Template name dot Scala. Scala template based on Scala, and the content type. Content type is like HTML, XML. So all the templates are compiled, so you will see any errors. Writes in your browser. Now we discuss about features. It is compact, expressive and fluid. It minimizes the number of characters and keystrokes required in a file and enable a fast coding workflow unlike most template syntax. You do not need to interrupt your coding to explicitly denote server blocks within your HTML. The parser is smart enough to infer this from your code. This enables a really compact and expressive syntax which is clean, fast and fun to type.
How it enables the fast?
It is passed with the Twiddle and with the Scala compiler. It is passed based on your syntax, HTML syntax. It is easy to learn. It enables you to quickly be productive with a minimum of concepts. You use all your existing Scala language and HTML skills. So you can apply your Scala language skills and HTML to form a Scala template. Not a new language. To form a Scala template, you don't need to learn any other language. Just you have to apply your Scala skills and HTML. Editable in any text.
Choose not to create a new language. यहाँ से लिखने वाले कैसे? लिखे देख तो ऊपर बताने का हम क्वेश्चन
You can write a template in any text editor. Scala template structure. Scala template is an HTML document with embedded Scala statement which start with an @ character. Play will detect a Scala template file based on the pattern and will compile them into a standard Scala function. And it is available for the controller and any other templates. Actually, Twiddle and the Scala compiler pass the Scala template and create the object. For example, this is a simple Scala template. So it can accept parameter just as any other function in Scala. You can pass parameter to the template. Suppose here we pass the products, list of product. Product is a case class. So we here call the index. Index is another template, and we create a for loop to fetch out the every product from the list of product and render the product's name and descriptions.
Here we have to name as template as
list.scala.html in view package.
But it's not a restriction, right? I can call it anything.
So you can call this from any Scala code as you would call a function. Like we call the view.html.list. This is nothing but we call the apply methods of object list. File structure of this template. This is a it creates an object in view package in HTML. So HTML in view package, but the name of this template is views. Like list.scala.html.
Is that if the name was sushil.scala.html, right? Then how would you call it?
Views.html.sushil.
So ultimately behind the template it creates Scala objects. So if you go to the role folder in the compiled folder structure, you see the Scala object here. So this is the Scala object which gets created, which is the name of the template, and then you can just pass a parameter to the Scala object.
Your template name is converted into object. The magic @ character. The Scala template uses @ as the single special character. Every time this character is encountered, it indicates the beginning of a Scala statement. So whenever you want to write the Scala code, then it start with @ of that. For example, you can print hello at the customer.name. Customer is your is the customer. Because the template engine automatically detects the end of. You don't need to close the single line @ customer.name. You don't need to close this statement with the @ automatically detect the end of this statement.
Simple condition is string interpolation. We need to put bracket around the customer and the customer. So if we do string interpolation, we get as and we need to put Scala object to that string. In that case, ampersand customer.name is not working. Doesn't work. But here we do not need to apply bracket over here.
Right, but that string you have to pass the that string into HTML.
वो तो कुछ नहीं होगी, तो कि हम जब Scala के थ्रू करते हैं स्ट्रिंग इंटरपोलेशन एज लिखते हैं, उसके बाद ब्रैकेट डबल कोट, उसके बाद आप कुछ भी लिखते हो, उसके बाद अगर आपको कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट का कोई मेथड कॉल करना है, जैसे कस्टमर डॉट तो उस केस में अगर मैं डॉलर कस्टमर डॉट
standard Scala code that we are writing it. तो देखो जो भी block of code जो भी अपने .scala file में लिख रहा है, you can write the entire code block here और वो सारा evaluate हो जाएगा ये करते ही.
और ये वो कहाँ तक होगा?
ब्रैकेट तक
और
इसकी एक्चुअली डॉट स्काला फाइल होती है. जैसे हम JSP में लिख देते थे HTML प्लस अपना कोड जावा कोड, उसमें अपना ट्रांसलेट होता था सर्वलेट में, तो ये पूरा स्काला में जाके फिर इसकी खुद एक देता है HTML में कन्वर्ट कर देता है. तो ये एग्जैक्ट स्काला में जाएगा.
If you want to insert a multi-token statement, basically mark it using bracket. So here we use the multi-token like customer first name or customer last name, then we will provide the brackets. You can also write the key statement block with the curly braces. If you want to use the character, then you have to type double escape for escape. Template parameters. Like as a normal Scala function, you can provide template to parameters. You can provide parameters in different ways. Like here we provide a message is a type of string and products like products or case class. You can also use default value for parameters like head is string, home is a default value, or even several parameter groups like title and the function. Function is a parameter and implicit parameters.
This is not body program.
For many. Let's see a Scala template, some common use cases. You can apply your Scala code, your template like for iterating. You can use the for loop to access your list of value. Like here we render the user dot first name from the list of users in your tag alignment and the user dot age. You can use if blocks like if items is empty, then it's basically nothing to display, and if items has value, then total items is items dot size. You can also use pattern matching. Here we match the user. So if it is the sum of some value, then it is connected to the name.
here there should be space between that.
So you were doing pattern matching on the tail.
But define
वैल लिया था उसमें यूजर ने नाम नहीं लगा.
but define the option of string.
User is option of string.
Name option of string and user parameter, which is the option of string.
not string. It's returning STL.
Appendix.
No, only STL. Type is STL. There is a data type returner STL.
यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Text dot let dot lab dot next string पे जाता है।
Whenever you have rendered anything in the template and you are using that with the reusable functions, the return type automatically convert into the HTML.
You can also
इसको reusable code block की वजह क्योंकि वहाँ पे नीचे से हमने इसको यूज़ किया है
you can also declare the implicit variable constructor in the code block. Like here we declare implicit field constructor and we pass the Twitter bootstrap input object something is just in that case we pass the error, so the body return the red. So here is the color attribute, and you can access this color from here. So in this case the color value is red.
बॉडी कॉलम स्ट्रिंग टू एचटीएमएल ये प्री डिफाइन होते हैं कि हम अपने मन से डिफाइन करते हैं बॉडी कॉलम स्ट्रिंग
As per your template requirement, you can change your parameters.
Body जो है, this is not the HTML body. This is any variable that we have taken.
Yeah, body is just a parameter, whatever you can.
बॉडी इज लाइक स्ट्रिंग टू एचटीएमएल
तो जब हम इसको दे रहे हैं तो ट्रीट कैसे लिखते हैं वापस?
Body एक function है, body जो string type का parameter है,
और HTML तो ये add body जो green लिखा है ये HTML में डल जाएगा, body green HTML में डल जाएगा.
just one slide.
हाँ,
that is
ठीक है. So that is what you were talking about. So whenever we write it like this, then always the return type is going to be HTML.
Mode screens and mode style variables. To define mode screens and mode style variable equivalent play one context Scala template, you can define a variable in the main template. So you can pass the script file to the main. So suppose here we create a main template and take a content parameter as HTML of HTML type. So this content parameter is used here. Scripts. Scripts is also a HTML type. So when we call from another template, we scripts and it's a type of HTML that we pass the whole script tag from the main template. So this script tag is placeholder.
And the extended template then we are overriding it. The extended template we are providing the value for.
Maybe go to the slide. Or you forget to put it.
We just take the paste. Basically is a suppose हमको template बनाना है, तो template उसमें कोई script मुझे ऐड करना है, तो you can pass the
को जो डेटा चाहिए वो मेन में देना पड़ेगा, so that they can extend from that.
So in that case, you can pass the particular script as a parameter, or you can define the page name or match pattern, match the page, then add this script, or from each page you have to pass the specifically the script tag. So whatever script you want to add it to the main, just pass it to the main.
Pass it to the main.
Yeah, no need to define it.
No need to define in the main.
Actually, same we have used alternate script. You can pass any scripts in that particular area. Here you can add many as many you want.
My question is that I have got a main in which I'm including smaller templates. Now smaller templates, they need some data. So that data needs to be passed to the main, or can I just pass it to this one without the main doing the work? Main को मैं कुछ नहीं बताना चाहता.
Main is nothing.
हाँ.
Main is just a wrapper
हाँ.
to everything in one place.
हाँ. तो wrapper को पता होना चाहिए कि included वाले template को क्या चाहिए.
In that case, if we have to render some data, so we are rendering that particular data into that particular page, and we are passing all the value into the main.
So I'll have to pass all the values in the main.
This content area, yeah, you have to pass.
The dynamic contains parts are scaled according to the template type, like HTML or XML. If you want to output a raw content fragment, type in the template content type, then you going to include the HTML function and pass the any string which is not in HTML format. So you can pass that string into here, and it will display in HTML format. So for example, here we pass the whole as a string H2 play framework, and we display the play framework according to H2 tag. Object. We use play API data. One object to help us move data between the main browser and the server-side applications. So this form encapsulates information about the collection of fields and how they are to be validated. So in the controller, suppose in the controller we define a user form nested, and we mapping with the case classes user address and the user. So suppose name the form fields are name, email, address. Address is like nested. It's a nested array. So there this part will be mapping with the user address and the whole part
String as a list of trivial name. This trivial is type string in the case of then we are passing list of
that is used for server-side validations. So if a user didn't provide efficient or full email address, then it will directly goes into the form with errors case.
No, I think he's talking about the data types. He mentioned their list of email and you have
You have
Data type mismatch.
mismatch copy paste.
And then nowadays, chase your very slightly change के पहले मैंने ये use किया after forming a form object we have to showing form in a template. So we have to define a template and pass user form. This is declared in there. So to render the form fields, we can use import helper classes. So will be define a form, complete form, helper dot form, and we can define an action about store user controller dot save, and we can provide the ID. And we can render every form fields with the help of vectors like where we enter dot input text user form for new. We can provide class in the value. Then we import helper dot user bootstrap. So every form is rendered with the user bootstrap.
Classes to the CSS class.
Yes, CSS class. And then
फॉर्म के अंदर इसे लिमिट में ये सेव करके फिर से फॉर्म नीचे लेगा अगर मेरी पेज पर्टिकुलर से ज़्यादा होगी तो ये फॉर्म फिर में चलेगा
तब वाली
ये जब पे अप्लाई या अप्लाई चलते हैं नहीं चलेगा
फिर उनको बांट देंगे ना
नेक्स्ट है
और क्या, और तो कोई इलाज नहीं।
हाँ वही इलाज है
यहाँ email और list of email मैंने declare किया था. So in the form field template you can render the list of email in this form like helper dot repeat. This is list of email. Then you have to declare helper dot repeat. So emails and you pass the main pointer as so main is ये भी हो करता है कि मतलब जितने भी पेज हैं वो कितनी बार रेंडर होते हैं एंड जो भी ईमेल फिक्स आएंगे उनको मैं इनटू टेक्स्ट क्योंकि एवरी ईमेल इनटू टेक्स्ट में मैं वो वैल्यू दें और maybe the address field we have to enter dot text because that will nested so user address dot street and address dot city.
ये चीज़ बिना हेल्पर के भी हो सकती है ना, फॉर्म सबमिशन जो होता है बिना हेल्पर के यूज़ करके भी हो जाता है। एंड चलो वो मैपिंग की जगह टपल यूज़ कर लेते हैं, कोई बेनिफिट है क्या इसका, मतलब ये यूज़ करें, मतलब वो उसमें प्योर HTML है तो थोड़ा वैसे भी रहता है।
यहाँ से अपना प्योर केस क्लास पे चलो, जो केस क्लास के ऑब्जेक्ट को मिलेगा डेटा।
हाँ एक्चुअली उसमें डबल मिलता है तो हम डायरेक्ट यूज़ कर देते हैं।
यूजर का ऑब्जेक्ट मिलेगा, हमें में डबल मिलेगा। सो डबल
Based on the requirement. If you want to pass the base class to another concept, it's easy to bind here. Otherwise, if you want only parameters, then you can use data.
बेनिफिट ये है कि एग्जैक्ट यूजर परसिस्ट कर सकते हो डेटाबेस में।
एक्सप्लिसिटली अगर ऑब्जेक्ट पास करना हो तो कंस्ट्रक्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं।